Welcome to CHM Classroom with Auntie Taiwo. So today we'll be talking about covalent bonding. In the last class, we discussed about electrovalent bonding, and under electrovalent bonding, there is total transfer of electron from the metal to the non-metal. But under covalent bonding, there is nothing like transfer of electrons. Here we are going to share electrons. You can't give me, I can't give you, but let's come together to share. Then we have some certain characteristics of covalent compound. Most of them are gases. They are molecules. They don't conduct electricity, so they are non-conductors of heat and electricity. Then they don't dissolve in water or other polar solvents, but they are soluble in non-polar solvent, of course. So let's get to the board and let me show you a very good example that we'll be starting with today is our hydrogen gas. Yes, our hydrogen. So we know that this is 2 atoms of hydrogen. So the hydrogen is willing to what? Complete the duplet structure. So what's going to happen? The 2 of them will come together like this and share this one electron. So that is how our hydrogen gas is being formed. Another good example is my chlorine gas. Yes. So chlorine is what? Chlorine is 17. So I'm going to have this chlorine. So it's going to have each of the chlorine is what? 287. 287. So let's draw it before the bonding. So you have something like this. You just have to manage the space on the board. So the last one is going to be like this. Okay. So for the last shell, we are going to have something like this. Okay, so the last electron is going to bond together. So the last shell, we are working with the last shell. So let's do something like this. Okay, so I'm going to start writing from the last shell like this. Okay, then the second shell. Okay, then this one is going to form another one. So we have something like this. So the first shell for the second atom, the first shell, second shell, and the last shell, we are going to have something like this. Okay, so we have what? 6 electrons. So this last electron is going to bond with the last one from the other chlorine atom. So that is how our chlorine gas, the chlorine molecule, is being formed. So next class we are going to discuss the formation of ammonia. Ammonia is another beautiful covalent compound.